Hey guys, this video is going to show you how to complete the Google Docs certification and give you the skills you need to be successful in my class this year with the required skills for Google Docs. So these are all things that I'm going to assume you know how to do this time of the year moving forward. So this should help you get started. So it's pretty simple so far. What we're going to do is we're going to start here with the certification. All right. I have listed several different tasks I want you to do, and we're going to go through and I'm going to show you how to do them. Okay. So to get started first, every document needs a good title. A lot of times in the assignments I give you, it'll already be titled with you and your name. But I just want to make sure you know how to change the title in case you need to organize it in a different way. So first, you're going to change the title of this document to your name, Google Docs certification. So when I see your name here, that means you put your actual name. So in front of this, I'm going to click up here on the left where you see the title of the document in of itself. When you click on it, you'll see your cursor pop in there, and you are now able to freely type. So I'm going to type in Mr. P, demo of Google Docs certification, and then it automatically saves that name. Now, it does not change the title of your actual paper down here, which you'll need to do yourself. I like to copy and paste the title from one place to another so that it's the same. All right. So that's how you change the title of your document or edit it. Okay. Next up, I want to show you how to save your stuff and move it to different folders to better organize it. So first of all, you should notice that up here at the top, it automatically saves for you. So as soon as you start typing, it says saving, and then last edit was seconds ago. Okay. If you realize you have made a mistake, you can click on this last edit button. All right. And then you can go back and you can see all the revisions that you did throughout the thing. So here was where I started. And then right here is where it shows me that I changed the title of the document from this to Mr. P's demo of certification. If you want to go back to that, you can restore the version. So sometimes this is useful when you're doing an assignment and you accidentally copy paste a picture in and it deletes the entire document. You can go back and do that. So in order to save the location, up here at the top, you should see a star, a folder, and a little cloud. You're going to click on the folder, which says move. When you do that, it's going to show you the current folder it's in, and then it's going to give you an option to open it in a new window or to move or create a new folder. So the task says create a new folder and take a screenshot of it in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this new folder button down here. It's going to take me to a new page, and I'm going to type in new folder or name it however you want. And then when you click the check mark, all right, you'll be inside that new folder. Now you finish by clicking move here and click move, which will reorganize the document into a new location. So then what you want to do is take a screenshot of this right here where it says, when I click on the folder again, new folder, and where I can see your document in there. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this right here and then paste it where I said to right there. So this is going to be your proof that you correctly moved it to the new folder. All right. Next, we're going to work with font size. So you might want to do this if you have trouble reading the page because it's small, or if I ask you to change the color of something. I prefer you take notes in different colors so it's easier for me to grade. That way it sticks out. So that's one way you can do. So change the font size, and font color of this sentence. So you're going to start by highlighting it. You're going to go up here to the font tools, which are right here in the center. So change the font. I'm going to start by clicking on Arial, and you can choose any font you want. Remember, if you're doing this for real, make sure it's something that I can read. So let's do Lobster for fun. And then font size is right here where you see the number 11. You can increase it to whatever size you want or jump from there. And then finally, the font color is going to be this here where it says text color. So this bolded underlined A. and you can choose any color you want from here to change your text to. So I'm going to choose orange, and then it will change the font color. Next, we're going to work on highlighting, which is something I ask you to do when I might ask you highlight the correct answer here, or choose from the following, and you can choose by highlighting. So if you click and drag to select the sentence, go up to the top, and right next to where the text color was, you're going to have highlight color. Click on that, and then you can choose any color you want to highlight. Yellow is classic, and then there you go. If you ever make a mistake at any point and you want to go back, if you hold down Control and hit Z, it will undo the last thing you did. That's another useful tip. All right, bold, underline, and italicize the sentence. So I'm going to select it. And then up here at the top where the text tools are, you can click bold, italicize, and underline to make that happen. Also, if you're good at your shortcuts, if you highlight it and you hit Control B for bold, I for italics, and U for underline, it will do it without you having to click on those up there. Bullet points, for this document, I'm going to have you do bullet points of you can do the bell that you're in and the teacher you have. So up here at the top, you have the option to do bullet list or numbered, either one. So I'm going to click bullet. I'm going to say it's bell 1, and the teacher is Mr. Pescatris. That's how you do bullets. To insert a picture, I don't care which picture you insert. There's 2 ways to do it. You can click up here at the top in the center. You have link, comment, and insert image. And then you can choose where to insert it from. You can also do that from insert up here where it says image, and then choose one of these. So you can upload it from a computer if it's a screenshot, take an image from the web, or use your Drive, Photos, or a link. Or you could use the actual camera on your phone as well, or your computer as well. I'm just going to search the web. All right, and then I'm going to type in Withrow real quick. And I'm going to throw in this picture. It looks nice. So if I click on this and click Insert, it will pop it in there. If it's wildly too big, just resize it. Okay. And then inserting a link. All right, this one is just as easy. So if you have a link that you want to do, let's say I want to link to this Google document. I'm going to take the cop and just paste it right there. If I space, it'll automatically change it to a link. So you paste your link in, automatically change it. If you click on it again, you can edit it right here. And that gives you the option to not only have your text, you can have it say something different. So this is a link, would be an example. And then when I apply it, it'll change it so it's not one big ugly word. All right. So that's what I want you to do here, is to insert a link to anything. It can be a picture, it can be this document. Insert a link to anything and post it there. And then a drawing is, I use this a lot when we do drag and drops and stuff, and we do the atoms. So if I hit insert, go to drawing, new, you can paste a picture in there. Oops, wrong one. All right, like I just used. And then here you can do shapes, text boxes, insert other images, lines, and stuff. So you can make just, it's nice to use in here because we will be using this a lot. So this is how we do a Google drawing. So then you can change that so that it's just like a box, save and close. All right. And then finally, voice typing. This one's really awesome because not a lot of students use it, but it's a really useful tool. We will go through with this, and I encourage you to use this all the time. It saves you a lot of time. So if you go to Tools up at the top, voice typing is right there. So it's Control Shift S will also get you it. All right, and then when you click to speak, it'll start typing whatever you say. Voice typing is a useful tool that students can use to type a lot of information quickly without having to type it on the keyboard. I suggest you use this feature often. All right, so something like that is really awesome to use. It saves you a lot of time and headache. All right, so this is the introduction that I want you to do. And once you get through this, you'll be a pro at it.